Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Dreame L10S with your Android smartphone. And to do this, first you will need to install Xiaomi Home app, and you can find it on Google Play Store or any other app store that you're using on your device. Then open Xiaomi Home. You'll also need to log into your account. And then we can click on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen and select Add Device. Here scroll down and find Robot Vacuum. Scroll down even more and look for your Dreame L10 Pro. Dreame bought L10S Pro, we can click on that, and then we need to perform factory reset. Press and hold the spot clean button and the dock button at the same time for 3 seconds. And I have my robot on the left right here. There's the home button and a clean spot. Now we can click on both of them and hold them for 3 seconds. So sadly my robot is set in a Polish voice language, so you probably won't understand, but let's try to move on. We need to press on device reset after we click on those two buttons, and then it will scan for available device. Here it is, and now we need to pick Wi-Fi network that we can connect our robot with, and I recommend to use 2.4G networks since 5G might not work with that robot. I'm not sure. I prefer to use 2.4 for any other device. Let's click on next. You'll get the voice prompt that you successfully connected your robot with the internet, and now we can set the room where our robot will ride, and let's go for the backyard, why not? Then we can rename our robot. I'm gonna leave it as it is and then proceed. And right here there's option to share this robot to any family members or anyone you like, and I'm not gonna do that. You can share this home with somebody else if you like. And now our robot is fully set and ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.